guys, welcome back. So the hair I'll be working with today is from Geniuswigs. Came in this box and the hair is 360 lace wig. Yeah, came with some goodies. Came with a wig cap, a scarf, an elastic, edge brush, and some clips. It's only one clip. Yeah, only one clip that came with it. Why one? Supposed to be two, right? So it came with just one. So this is crystal lace body wave 18 inches, 180 density wig. This is body wave 360 lace wig, and it's body wave 18 inches. This is long for 18 inches. Look at this, guys. See, this is long for 18 inches. Wow. So the inside of the wig, you guys know this how 360 is. See, round like this. Okay, came with detachable adjustable strap and also an inbuilt strap with some combs. This is the back. You can see it round. This is the back. So with my past experience installing 360 alone, I have said that is very difficult. So I just want to try something today different to see if it will be more faster and easier for me, because always I battle being alone installing this wig, this 360. If someone is installing it for you, is very easy, or if someone is here with you to help you, is easier. But because it's only me, I find it difficult. So what I'll do, I'll cut the excess lace from the back. From my experience, I know that there's a joining. Okay, let me show you guys the joining. Okay, there's a joining. From this joining here, you guys can see from this joining, let me zoom it. Okay, you guys can see it clearly. From this joining here, this is where my ear side will be. Okay, so I'm just going to cut it from here, then cut the other side as well. You can see there are two joining, which is, this is going to be by the ear side, you see here. So I'm just going to cut this like this. Then I know that the lace, so this will be by my ear side, okay, like this. Then I'm going to cut from the lace. You see the gap I give here? See the gap? Okay, so I'm just going to cut that round. I have done that. Look at the gap that I gave from the hair. This is where the hair started, and this is the lace. So this is the back. I turned the wig, so I'm going to use this glue from Isha. I'm going to put glue round everywhere.
Going down, 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 down. Baby, going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most.
So I'll glue this to that. So I added it to this part, you see here. I think this is the only way I can install my 360 alone. You can see my back hair here. my hair grow up to this side, so I'll try to put this down, try as much as I can. Okay, then I'm going to turn my wig. So guys, I have glued the back, like what I told you guys, that's what I did to glue the back. So right now I want to work on the front. It's so fortunate that I cannot show you guys because it will take a lot of time. That is why I don't show it on camera. If I say I should film that, it's going to take a lot of time. The video will be too long. Guys, pardon me because I'm eating at the same time, which is not professional, but pardon me, I'm hungry. So I'm going to cut the excess lace. You can see the lace blend. This is crystal lace. It's just like my skin. See this?
Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Keeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one to take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? Baby, so can you take me on a date? The simple things you do to make me stay. Now it's like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? If you want me the way I want you, put your all into all that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. don't wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you. You're not by yourself. Later.
Let me do some comb roll.
Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and roll, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our own core. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our own core. Where are you? Where are you?
So I did this side off camera. See?
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still.
So guys, let me whip this side. I'll first of all put mousse like this. And this. And I'm going to brush this.
Away. All I need is just saying yeah. Better nights, better days when you're here with me, babe. 'Cause you're all that I crave. So I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you?
So I am done. I know it's not the best. I tried my best to match everything. So I want to put this. Let's see. I want to design it. Let me put some pen.
Communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you?
You see these guys? Wow, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Let me show you guys the back. I don't know if the back is the back.
Where are you?
So guys, that is it. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box. It's from Geniuswigs. If you're interested, you can check that out. It is 360 lace wig, and you see this, the lace is a crystal lace. You can see, you cannot see the difference between my scalp and the lace, which is so gorgeous.
You're here with me, babe, 'cause you're all I crave. So I wonder, where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be.